Hello friends, welcome to Destination Coding. Today we are going to learn some basic concepts of Python. First of all, Python is the easiest language to learn computer coding and have some fun. Python is an interpreted language developed by Good van Rossum in Feb 1991, and Python is a high and powerful language which provides 3 to 4 lines of coding in computer for having some fun and interest. And also it provides modes of working in computer like interactive mode and script mode, which makes the function easier and simple manner. And Python has some limitations, and they are not fast language compared to Java, C++, less libraries compared to that languages, and not easy to convert one language into another language. And also friends, Python is the easiest language compared to Java, C++, because it provides us to work within 4 to 5 lines of coding program. And also Python consists tokens. Because of these tokens, it became the easiest language, because tokens are the smallest units in Python, which provides the function in a easy and simple manner. What are these tokens? Tokens are keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, etc. And keywords are the things which provide the meaning for the function to do in an easy manner. And identifiers are numericals, alphabets, underscores, etc. To give in a program. And literals are the values which we give in a program. And operators are the arithmetical operators which we give in a function, etc. So Python is used in so many uh, developing apps like gaming apps, web apps, DBMS, etc, etc, and is the easiest language and used in so many companies for save time to manage the working periods, etc, because it's the easiest language, guys. It has like it provides us so many data types to work with the Python. Like it has a list, strings, tuples, numbers, dictionaries, and else. What do you mean by this? Lists are the things which is having so many functions used by taking square brackets, and it can be changed once, twice, and so many times also. Strings are used by taking alphabets, and tuples are used by taking round brackets. If you want here one small note will become, if you want to insert a element into a tuple, you have to use comma. Without a comma, the element cannot be inserted into the tuple. And numbers are 1, 2, 3, and dictionaries are which contains a key and the value, which makes the work easier, better. uh, so guys, what do you mean by mutable and immutable? In computer language, mutable means the thing which can be changed, and immutable means the thing which cannot be changed. So here we look, mutable examples are lists, sets, dictionaries, etc, which can be changed so many times. The immutable examples are integers, tuples, strings, floats, etc, which cannot be changed once you insert a value in it. So guys, be careful while using this type of things while coding. This is the main thing you have to remember for mutable and immutable things while doing the computer coding. And if you see about the operators, and there are so many operators like arithmetic, relation, identify, and logical, etc operators, which provides the function in easy way and also simple way. So these are the basic part in Python to work with Python. And further you can learn so much things in Python, and these are the basic steps you have to remember while you're starting Python coding. And guys, I'm saying you, these are the basic things that anyone can easily learn Python if you are good and very much known about this basic things. So not so much is not there to explain the basic things in Python. If you want to learn, you have to learn about the data types. You have to go through them, and also these mutable and immutable things. These are the things you will found in Python, and this is the basic steps to learn Python coding and have some interest, and also make your work easier. Thanks for watching our video. If you really like our video, give a thumbs up, share, and please subscribe. Thank you.